Okay, welcome, I guess, to my channel. I don't know. This will be my first video, so be kind to me. I thought it would help you out. I'm having an issue with a 2000 Chevy 3500. Having a non-starting issue. The turn the key, nothing happens. I mean, your lights stay on, everything stays on. You hear a couple of clicks from under the dash, but that is about it. I have watched other videos and I have taken a wire and wrapped it around pin 87 on the starter relay and then touched that to the positive side of the battery. That did nothing for me. But what I've found is this ground wire that runs from your battery down to your engine block. I won't go all the way down there, but it's down there, and just follow this wire, you'll find it. I just had my lovely assistant come over here and sit in the truck and kept turning the key as I wiggled this ground wire, and lo and behold, she popped off and started. So that tells me that I'm not getting a good ground. I don't know if it's going to start here or not. Bit of a delay, but it does start up. So now I will be tearing into that, tear that apart, clean that all up, and I think I will have my problem fixed. So excuse me. I guess if you liked the video, or it helped you in any way, like it, subscribe, do something like that. I will start doing some more videos as I do a lot of different projects. And if I can help somebody out, great. YouTube's been a great source for myself. And yeah, good luck on your project.